Not hearing. I'm not hearing. Ma'am, not hearing.
Chapter 6, Triangles. Chapter 6, Triangles. Last year you have studied a chapter based on triangles. Which was that? Which was the chapter you have studied based on triangles and some rules? Which was that chapter and which are those rules? Which are they? Anybody? With the properties of triangles you have studied a chapter. What is the name of that chapter? Or what is the rules you have studied there? Anyone?
SAS rule.
Yes, what is the name? Not what is SAS is what rule? It is a rule for?
Angle, side angle.
Okay. It is
Side angle side.
okay. Okay. But my question is for what you are doing all these rules?
Congruence.
Congruence. It is for congruence, for proving congruence. You have studied SA. Which are the rules? Congruence rules. First one. Congruence rules are?
Side.
Which are the congruence rules you have studied last year?
S.
SA. SA. S is the SSS. Okay. Then RHS. So these are the congruence rule you have studied last year. Okay. Okay. Now congruent triangles means, what is the meaning of congruent triangle? Congruent triangles.
It has same shape and same size.
Triangles same shape. Triangles have same shape and same
Same size.
same size.
Angle.
Same angles. They have all the angles are same. All the angles are corresponding to some other triangle. If all angles are same and one condition, all the angles are same. If A, B, C, P, Q, R, if ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, A will be equal to angle P, B will be equal to angle Q, and C must be equal to angle R. These are the conditions for congruence. Okay. What is the next condition? First condition, all angles are or corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. What next? One more condition is there. Corresponding angles.
All sides are same.
All sides are equal. AB must be equal to PQ. Corresponding sides also equal. Corresponding sides also equal. These are the two conditions for forming a pair of congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding corresponding sides also equal. Corresponding angles and corresponding sides must be equal. Okay. So here, suppose L, M, N and a triangle LMN and UVW. UVW. If triangle LMN, triangle LMN is congruent to triangle UVW. Triangle LMN is congruent to triangle UVW. Then angle L will be equal to what? LMN. LMN UVW. LMN is congruent to UVW. So angle L will be equal to, which is the angle corresponds to L?
Angle U.
Angle U, yes. Angle L will be equal to angle U. And angle M equal to angle
W.
P. Angle N equal to angle
W.
W. Also we have LM equal to, side LM equal to
Side UV.
side UV. Side UV and side MN equal to
VW.
PW and side LN equal to
UW.
UW. So in these conditions we can say that triangle LMN is congruent to triangle UVW, and for the conditions for congruence you have studied some rules also. Okay, this year instead of congruence we are moving to some other term which is known as similar or similar triangles, similar figures. So, first of all we will discuss similar figures. So in congruence both okay, this heading you can write. Yes, write this heading, similar figures. Write the heading, similar figures. Figures with the same shape are known as similar figures. Figures with the same shape, not necessarily be equal in length. Okay, not necessarily the same size. Size can be changed. Only shape. Figures with the same shape is known as similar figures. I will show you. Okay, children, this is a triangle. Okay. Now, this is also triangle. Same shape. Okay. Are they having the same size?
No.
Are they having the same size? No. No, they are having the same shape. These three are triangles, but their sizes are different. If figures with the same shape can be called as similar figures, their size can be different. Okay, similar figures means the figures with the same shape. Figures with the same shape, but their size can be different. Okay, see children, you can see, suppose we are going to a studio and we took photo, and there we asked the cameraman to take 2 stamp size photo, 3 passport size photo and 1 postcard size photo. All these photos are of your photo. Okay, so its shape will be same. Okay, shape will be same, but size is different. One is stamp size, one is passport size, other one is postcard type. Okay, so those photos are similar figures, but they are not congruent. If they are congruent, all sides and all angles must be equal, all same. If you are, suppose you are collecting 10 passport size photo of yours, those 10 photos you can call them as congruent figures. If you ordered for 10 passport size photo, those 10 photos can be called as congruent figures. All are equal, all are same. But here we are asked the cameraman to take 2 stamp size, 3 passport size and 5 postcard size photo. Okay, same photo but different in size. Those figures are called similar figures. Is it clear all of you what is similarity and what is congruence? Congruence, size, shape, everything must be equal. But in similar, only shapes equal, but size can be different. Is it clear all of you what is similar figure and congruent figure? Okay. So you write a sentence, we will write both congruence and similarity. Okay, first you write. Two figures are said to be congruent. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. If they have two figures having
Ma'am, you want to write this?
yes, right. Not necessarily same size. Not necessarily the same size. Two figures having same shape, not necessarily the same size, are called similar figures. Are called similar figures. Underline the word similar. You can draw some example for similar figures. Draw triangles. One small triangle. Different triangles you can draw. Then write are similar. Are similar triangles. These are similar triangles. One more example I'll give you. This is a circle, another circle. These are similar, similar. We can say similar circle. Similar circles. We can call them as similar circles.
And this we need to draw.
Draw some examples. Draw. These are similar squares. This is no need. Okay, this is not a square. Similar squares. These are the example for similar figures. All squares are similar. Also, all equilateral triangles are also similar. You can write. No need to draw more examples. We will write more examples. All equilateral triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. All squares are similar.
Ma'am, all circles also are similar.
Yes?
Ma'am, all circles are also similar.
Yes, circles. That we have drawn. No, that's why I'm not writing. Circles. Circles are similar. Squares. All squares are similar. Okay? Now listen all of you. So we said for similarity, same shape for similarity. Same shape for.
And can you move some up? Some up.
Want to see?
Yes, ma'am.
For similarity, we have same shape for similarity. And same shape and size. Size for same shape and size for what? For
Congruence.
Congruent.
congruence. Congruence. Okay. Same shape for similarity. Same shape and size for congruence. So children, can I say all congruent figures are similar? Am I correct or not? I will write. One statement, all, don't write now, all congruent figures are similar. Am I correct or not? All
Yes, ma'am.
yes, because for congruent both shape and size must be equal, but for similarity only shapes is equal. So we can say all congruent figures are similar. And what about, so this is correct. So what about all similar figures are congruent? Am I correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Because that will be
no, because similarity only shape is same, size need not be. So we can't say all similar figures are congruent. We cannot say so. We will write all similar figures may or may not be. Okay, may or need not be. We will write need not be. Need not be congruent. Need not be congruent. Write these two sentences. All similar figures are need not be congruent, but all congruent figures are similar. All congruent figures are similar. Okay. Okay. Now, listen all of you once again. I will show one. Okay. Okay, listen. Listen to the board, all of you. See, this is a square. And we know that all its angles are equal to 90. And sides are 6 centimeter. Sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Another one, same angles are 90 since it is square. This is 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Okay. See, here angles are same. These two figures we can say, since their shapes are equal, we can say they are similar triangles, isn't it? They are similar squares, not triangles, squares. They are similar squares. And sides are, here it is 6 centimeter, here it is 12 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Sometimes we can draw another smaller one whose sides are 3 centimeters each. Okay. In all these cases, we can say that the sides are having same proportion. Sides are in the same proportion because AB, PQ, LM. AB by PQ. AB by PQ is 6 by 12. It is 1 by 2. And PQ by, not PQ by LM. Okay, this we will connect two, 1. 3 we are not taking. And A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. AB by PQ. AB by PQ means 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. And BC by QR. BC by QR also 6 by 12, 1 by 2. And CD by RS also 6 by 12, 1 by 2. The fourth sides, these two, DA by SP also, we will get 6 by 12, 1 by 2. So here the angles are equal. Angles of these two figures are equal and sides are same proportion. Sides are in same proportion. So these two is the condition for making or forming two similar figures. Similar, here it is similar squares. So here in these two squares, angles are equal. Angles are equal, but sides are not equal. If they are equal, we can say they are congruent. Here, sides are not equal, but the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Ratio AB by PQ, the corresponding sides, side corresponding to AB is PQ. So AB by PQ, 1 by 2. Side corresponding to BC is QR. So BC by QR is 1 by 2. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal and all angles are equal. All angles are equal and sides are in the same ratio. Same ratio. The corresponding sides are in same ratio. Then we can call these two figures, these two squares as similar squares. This is the first condition. Okay, so write two polygons. Instead of squares, it can be heptagon, hexagon, pentagon, anyone. Okay, write a sentence. Two polygons.
Ma'am, that we need to write first one.
What?
Ma'am, top, ma'am, written that we need to write.
No, you write this sentence. Two polygons of same number of sides, can be quadrilateral, pentagon or hexagon, any figure. Two polygons of same number of sides are similar if first condition, their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Second condition, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Same ratio or proportion or proportion. Same ratio or same proportion. You can say same ratio or same proportion. Okay, children, shall I ask a question? Suppose Rohan went to a studio and he has a negative with you and you took your photo of your percentage. Okay, Rohan, you took a photo of percentage and you bought a passport size photo. And with you, you have another photo when you are 5-year-old boy. Same size. And can you say those two photos are similar? One is 5-year boy's photo, another one is 15-year boy's photo. Those photos, if they are same shape, even though they are same shape, size or shape, okay. Shape is passport size photo. But we can't say similar because size is different, isn't it? Shape okay, but size is one is 5-year boys, other one is 15-year boys. So they are not similar figures. They are not similar figures. When you go to some studios, you can see they are arranged photo of Mammootty or Mohanlal, one small to larger one. Did you see that photos when you went to studios? One small one, it's larger than that, then larger than that. Mammootty is different, or different photos you can see when you went to studios, isn't it? Those photos are similar photos. Same person, same photo, but different in size. Those photos are similar photos. Did you see those photos like that when you went to studios? You didn't see that?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have seen that photos are arranged in different sizes? Maybe Manju Warrior's different photos. Passport size, then it's postcard size, then larger than that, larger than. You didn't see? Sania, you didn't see that? Gauri, did you see? Yes, those photos are similar photos, similar figures, same person, but photos size are different.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nihal?
Nihal is in waiting room.
Who?
Ma'am, my this phone charge over, so I am in that. I am waiting in room.
It's not clear, Nihal.
Ma'am, I am in waiting room.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay, so this is how a figure can be, polygon. How a polygon can be a similar polygon if all of its angles are equal and the corresponding sides having same ratio. The corresponding sides are same ratio or proportion. Okay, such polygons are called similar polygons. Okay. Okay, children, all of you take page 122. Page number 122. Page number 122. You can see exercise number 1, 6.1. 6.1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swati, read first question. Swati.
All circles are
Congruent or similar? All circles, think and say. All circles, are they congruent or can we say they are congruent? All circles. Or can we say similar? What was its answer? Swati, think.
Ma'am, similar.
Wait. All circles are
similar.
For congruence, what we need? For congruence, what we need? Circles. Similar, you are correct, Swati. You are correct. For all, suppose when can we say these circles are congruent?
If they have same shape and same size.
No, say all circles having the same shape. All circles having same shape. How can they have same size? Where we need to make change to get same size? Where we need to get, Gauri, what we need to change to get same size for circles?
Corresponding side.
What was the corresponding side? Children, you think? I am asking about circle.
Ma'am, radius.
Yes, radius. Radius must be equal for congruent circles. For getting congruent circles, we need to change what? If all circles having same radius, like our bangles. Our bangles are congruent figures. Example for congruence. Okay, but my bangle and Gauri, your bangle are not congruent, but they are similar. Is it clear, Gauri? All my bangles are all my bangles are congruent because they have same radii. Okay, okay, Gauri. But my bangle and your bangle are not congruent. They are similar because their radii are different. Is it clear, Gauri? What is congruence and similarity for circles? Clear? Okay. Okay, Minha, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first question, all circles are similar. Swati, your answer is correct. Write the answer, all of you. Okay. Next question. Melita, next question. Read. Melita, read.
All squares are
Similar or congruent?
similar.
Similar. When they can be congruent? When can we say these squares are similar? When? Think about that circle's definition. When they can be congruent. So I have some squares with me. When I can say all these squares are congruent. Roshan, when I can say all these squares are congruent. Melita said they are similar. Yes, all squares are similar. When they can be congruent. When they can be. Roshan, think. It's not clear. We can't hear. You can type your answer. When they can be. We can't hear, Roshan. Shown when squares can be congruent. Shown.
Sides are
Sides are
equal.
equal. Suppose I have some squares. All these squares having the same side, let it be 6 centimeter. Or we can, I will give you one example. You can see tiles in your home. You can see tiles now. And one square, tiles are squares. Consider square tiles. Don't consider rectangles. Square tiles. In your school, our flooring are square, floored by square tiles, isn't it? and all those square tiles are congruent squares. All of you, just see your floor. How many of you having your floor with the congruent tiles? Anyone? How many of you having? Nobody? Some of them raised. Who's this? How many of you having? Yeah, Karthik. Okay, it's square tile. Srihari is also. Anybody else's? Flooring with square tiles. They are Ajarlin also. They are Srihari. They are all those tiles are congruent tiles. They are congruent tiles. But sometimes in some of the floors you can see they are square, but sizes are different. Smaller square, larger square, different sizes. Though they are similar. Okay, they are similar. And in the case of polygons, polygons, for saying similar, we need to say those sides must be proportional. Sides must be proportional. Ratio of their sides must be equal. Ratio of the sides must be equal. Then only we can say those polygons are similar. Okay. Now third question. Who will read third one? Emrin, read third one. Emrin.
All dash triangles are similar.
All triangles are similar. What was the answer? All dash equilateral. Because equilateral triangle have all angles are equal to Fisan. What is the measure of all angles of an equilateral triangle? Measure of angles of equilateral triangles are? Fisan? What is the measure? Fisan?